Hi, this is Fiorella and Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com. We are here in Auburndale, brand new house. New owner hired us before from the previous house that they were living, but now they do the contract and they received the key today. So they are hired us to clean the new house. I seen some haze on the new floor. This is the master shower. Everything is brand new. We are specialists in new construction cleaning for new homeowners right here in Auburndale. Remove the fine dust, sanitizing the shower, cleaning all the walls, removing some particles of paint or drywall, sanitize before they occupy the house. It's a beautiful house right here in Auburndale. 2-story. This is another bathroom. Everything is brand new. Right here you can see, I don't know if you can see, let's see. You can see some fine dust. They already have the pots. We are bringing our stuff for moving. They have 2 containers of pots with all the furniture. They are going to sleep today in this house. It's 5 p.m. They close the house really late. So we are going to start doing the service, and you can call us at 407-572-4118, anyhousecleaning.com. Sanitizing and cleaning in Auburndale, Florida. It was raining, so we all got some wet. This is all the dervish, and this is how it came. ¿Sí? Gracias.
¿A quién se lo pasan?
A mí, por favor. Removing fine dust with yellow cloth. This is the yellow cloth that we use. It was still raining, so all the real is wet. We are steaming and sanitizing the bathroom. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. New construction house cleaning. The things that we have to dust and clean. This is the other things that fine dust or some paint. I don't know if you can see. So this is already clean. The blinds are clean. That's all the walls. We had to bring the chalk back because all the areas were really wet and I cannot use my HEPA vacuum. Sonia is dusting with the yellow cloth all the blinds to remove the construction dust. anyhousecleaning.com 407-572-4118. When there is a new house, usually the builders come to inspect the house and retouch anything that they have been mistaken. So the house is open through the garage, and Florida have a lot of mosquitoes, things like that. So this is the reason they request to make sure to cover all the corners. We already dust and clean all the electric plates. The bathrooms came really good. You can see there is no haze no more on the bathroom. This is the same bedroom that was showing you before. This is Fiorella Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com, and you can call us to remove haze and new construction house cleaning. Thank you. 407-572-4118. This room is completely clean. Second room already vacuum. Sometimes we have to work around contractors, so this is the proof that we already cleaned the bathroom, we already cleaned the carpet. So the contractors need to do the job and earn the money, so we work together. I'm gonna do this area. The area is already clean and vacuum. Wait, already clean and vacuum. We're almost done. We already vacuumed all the floor. We are using a neutral cleaner to mop this beautiful floor. And you can call us anytime at 407-572-4118. We are done with everything, the blinds, corners, light fixtures, electric plates, baseboards, walls. The floor came really good. We are vacuum just that bedroom, but the rest is everything is clean. The stairs came really good. Maria did a really good job. And we are anyhousecleaning.com 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching.